Hey, you're climbing, you're breaking the rules, you know. Oi! You wanna mess with me? You wanna mess with me? Hey, is that the news now, boys?
Welcome to another episode of Today
You die.
Now, as you can see this beautiful figure here, he's dead.
If you want to see a dead person, you must touch his pulse.
Oh, it's zero. And you must look if his zip is closed. It's closed. And you must touch his neck. Dead. And you must take his spectacle and you put it on. And now we must find a beautiful spot to bury him. Since the weather report says it's not raining, we can dig it easily with our digs. I mean with our shovels. So let's come there. This is a beautiful spot to dig a hole for the sperms. Oh my god, it's starting to rain again. It's raining. Ah, raining! And that's a zombie, the rain zombie. If the rain comes, he'll wake up. I'll tell you a very good plan. Run! Ah! Go to the hole! You watch out, he's the one who forced me to do it.
Sorry.
Oh, my head!
You all better escape while you can.
The food is arriving. Let's do my special pakawazo fella.
See? Oh my god.
For another, wait for me to reach the end. We have come to the end of the weather report and the end of my life. See you next time. Or in heaven.